Can you actually get high on honey? Let's find out by talking a little bit about the nature of bees and the ways humans utilize these intelligent creatures for more than just filling your honey jar. Bees, with their staggering diversity of over 20,000 known species, paint a vibrant canvas of shapes, sizes, and colors across the global ecosystem. From the diminutive stingless bee to the imposing carpenter bee, each species contributes to the symphony of nature with its own specialized role. While the image of bees may be synonymous with honey production, it's a lesser-known fact that only a select few bee species engage in this laborious task. Foremost among them is the honeybee, scientifically known as Apis mellifera. Under the umbrella Apis mellifera, multiple subspecies thrive, diligently managed by beekeepers for their coveted honey. The nomenclature Apis mellifera, a linguistic homage to Latin, translates to bee, apis, and honey-bearing, mellifera. These tireless workers traverse fields collecting nectar from blossoms, orchestrating a meticulous alchemy that transforms it into honey through a process involving regurgitation and evaporation. Stored within the hive, this golden elixir serves as sustenance for the colony. The architectural brilliance of a beehive is equally noteworthy. Bees utilize beeswax secreted from specialized abdominal glands to construct their hives. The hexagonal precision of honeycomb cells is a marvel of nature, efficiently maximizing honey storage while upholding structural integrity. Beyond mere construction, bees show remarkable skill in maintaining hive temperature. A consistent 93 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit or 34 to 35 degrees Celsius is sustained year-round through a combination of collective body heat and the strategic application of propolis. Propolis is a resinous substance sourced from plants' buds that is utilized as the hive's natural sealant, expertly applied to plug gaps and ensure an airtight, well-insulated environment. This dual-purpose substance contributes to temperature regulation and fortifies the hive against external threats. Amidst their varied diet of honey and nectar, bees crucially depend on pollen for holistic nutrition. Pollen, laden with proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals, is a dietary staple fostering growth and development. Queen bees consume a royal diet, a special concoction of pollen and honey known as royal jelly, facilitating their transformation into reproductive powerhouses capable of laying thousands of eggs per day. The adaptability of bees is a testament to their global presence, spanning every continent except Antarctica. Evolving to thrive in diverse climates, these pollinators play a pivotal role in sustaining an extensive array of plant species. In the realm of bee intelligence, Professor Lars Chittka, a luminary in sensory and behavioral ecology at Queen Mary University of London, stands at the forefront. His dedicated research has unraveled the cognitive intricacies of these small yet remarkably intelligent creatures.
And of course, because plants can't move and thus they can't find mating partners by themselves, they eventually resorted to this trick of employing insects, pollinators, that would visit the flowers and carry the pollen in a directed manner from plant to plant.
Chitka's investigations revealed that bees exhibit cognitive abilities surpassing conventional expectations. Some individuals within a colony showcase distinct levels of curiosity and confidence, with a select few earning the moniker genius bee for consistently outperforming their counterparts. A noteworthy facet of bee intelligence lies in their capacity to learn through observation. Chitka's experiments elucidated a phenomenon where skills and knowledge swiftly disseminate within a colony once a bee is trained in a specific task. This hints at a form of social learning ingrained in bee communities. In a groundbreaking experiment, Chittka intentionally trained a demonstrator bee to execute a task suboptimally. Astonishingly, the observing bees did not merely mimic, they innovatively imposed their own more efficient techniques, highlighting an internal modeling process. Chittka emphasizes that bee intelligence transcends simple trial and error learning, involving a cognitive evaluation of diverse possibilities to determine the most effective solutions. This challenges the conventional perceptions of insects operating solely on instinct. The implications of Chitka's research are significant. Understanding the intelligence and cognitive abilities of bees opens up possibilities for various applications. In fact, scientists at the National Lab in Los Alamos, New Mexico, found that bees can smell dynamite or C4 on almost any item. They suggested bees could be carried in a handheld detector to sniff out explosives in airports or roadside security checks. In the UK, a company called Sentinel created a bee bomb device that could detect explosives at concentrations of 78 parts per trillion. The bees were trained and then placed in a cartridge containing a camera linked to image recognition software, which could detect the bee extending its proboscis when it smelled the explosive substances. Other countries have also used bees to detect landmines using heat-sensing cameras to track the bees' movements and locate explosives. The profound implications of Chitka's research extend to a broader appreciation for these exceptional creatures and their potential to contribute to innovative problem solving. Venturing into the mountainous landscapes of Nepal and Turkey, we encounter a honey variety shrouded in mystique, mad honey. Distilled by the world's largest honeybee, Apis dorsata laboriosa, this elixir boasts uniqueness in taste, color, and potential psychoactive properties. We have been aware of the effects of mad honey for thousands of years. In fact, Xenophon, an Athenian military commander and author, first documented instances of mad honey poisoning in 401 BC. Additionally, King Mithridates IV of northeastern Anatolia, Turkey, employed mad honey as a weapon in 67 BC during a conflict with Pompey. Mad honey, with its reddish hue and slightly bitter notes, carries a dual identity. In modest doses, it induces a spectrum of sensations: dizziness, lightheadedness, and euphoria. However, higher doses usher in more intense consequences, including hallucinations, vomiting, loss of consciousness, seizures, and sometimes even death. The psychoactive properties of mad honey do not emanate from the bees themselves, but from the flowers they feed on, specifically a genus of plant known as rhododendrons. These plants contain grayanotoxins, neurotoxic compounds that when ingested by bees find their way into the honey, creating hallucinogenic honey. Bees are more likely to produce this potent honey in regions where rhododendrons are prevalent. The scarcity of alternative nectar sources prompts the bees to feed predominantly on rhododendrons, resulting in a particularly pure form of mad honey. Accessing honeycombs containing mad honey possesses distinct challenges. Rhododendrons thrive in higher altitudes, and bees often build their hives on cliffs near these plants. Consequently, harvesters must navigate treacherous mountainous terrain to procure this sought-after honey. Despite the difficulties, the economic incentives are significant. High-quality mad honey can fetch around $360 per kilogram in Turkish shops and approximately $60 per pound on Asian black markets. The rarity and perceived medical value contributes to mad honey's higher market value compared to regular honey. While many believe in the medicinal properties of mad honey, especially in regions like the Black Sea where it is used to treat conditions such as hypertension, diabetes, arthritis, and sore throat, scientific research on the medicinal benefits remains inconclusive. Grayanotoxins, the compounds responsible for the psychoactive effects, exert their toxicity by binding to sodium ion channels on cell membranes, which can lead to symptoms of increased sweating, salivation, and nausea. The severity of poisoning depends on the amount consumed, the concentration of grayanotoxins, and the season of production. Mad honey remains a captivating enigma, enwitting nature, culture, and danger. Its unique characteristics, coupled with the challenges of harvesting and its perceived medicinal value, make it a subject of fascination. As we reflect on the incredible tales of bees, we are reminded of the interconnectedness of nature, culture, and science. Bees, with their diverse species and unparalleled contributions, invite us to appreciate the wonders of the natural world. The more we delve into their intricacies, the more we discover the potential for innovation, inspiration, and a deeper understanding of the mysteries that surround us.